Welcome back to the Blind Eye. Today is going to be a special day for two reasons. When I'm in Yosemite National Park today, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And the other thing I wanted to say is today is my birthday, and I wanted everyone to know that. And I'm here in Yosemite hiking Fernal Falls, and I'm having a great time, but I'm realizing that it's a lot harder to hike without vision. And you can go by.
Happy birthday, Andrea.
Oh, thank you.
Your papa told me it was your birthday.
Yes,
today.
it is my birthday.
This is such a beautiful place to come.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm glad you got to come. He says he's coming right back.
Okay.
He went over there real quick.
Okay. So the other thing I'm going to share with you, you can see I have fellow hikers on the trail with me, is that of my ball tip cane and how I use it for hiking. So this is me using my ball tip cane. This is how you use it. And I won't go too far, go back and forth. This is how you use a ball tip cane when you are hiking. And hopefully you can listen and hear the sound of the waterfall. It's pretty great. And that's pretty much it. And hopefully you can enjoy the great views of Yosemite, which I cannot see, but hopefully you can.